Ms. Cirigliano?
Good evening. I want to start my report with some exciting news regarding some new programs for the 23-24 school year. On the agenda for approval tonight is the district application for the Community-Based Instruction, CBI, project. The CBI project is a collaboration between the Boggs Center on Developmental Disabilities at Rutgers University and the New Jersey DOE's Office of Special Education. CBI is an evidence-based practice that supports students with disabilities during their transition from school to adult life by promoting positive post-school outcomes in the areas of community living, post-secondary education, and careers. We hope to support our students with disabilities in the next step towards becoming a contributing member of society. If selected to the 23-24 cohort, the Dover CBI team will receive 20 hours of intensive in-person training, as well as assistance in the development of a CBI action plan for our district. The team will also receive ongoing technical assistance in the program development and implementation and parent outreach. Our Dover team consists of administration, teachers, guidance counselors, child study team members, and service providers. We have identified a team of 8 who will work on this project, and we would like to acknowledge them. Marie Hardenberg, Brian Hicks, Faride Hernandez, Sharissa Caffrey, Diamond Del Rosso, Patricia Murphy, Mary Moynihan, and Julia Badris. Currently, a smaller version of CBI is happening right here within Dover High School. Ms. Caffrey's and Ms. Monahan's transitional skills students have been brewing up hard work to help facilitate the learning of both vocational skills, including money management, following multi-step directions, and navigating social situations that arise during exchanges at a point of service. Students enrolled in this class have begun a coffee cart under the guidance of the teachers, Ms. Caffrey and Ms. Monahan. Students receive orders via a Google form and transcribe those orders to another form used by the coffee makers on Tuesday and Thursday mornings. On Tuesday and Thursdays, the students brew the coffee and place add-ins such as cream, sugar, or Splenda next to the drinks prior to their delivery. Delivery occurs during second period transitional skills time and is done with a smile. The Tiger Cafe Coffee Cart launched on Tuesday, May 4th, and since opening has fulfilled approximately 40 orders, with many more faculty expressing an interest in supporting these students. The students are having so much fun creating and delivering the orders, and we are so proud of the work that they are doing and want to thank all that are involved in the new Tiger Cafe Coffee Cart. Transitioning to another program now, our seniors in the Health Science Careers program will be attending the 30th Annual Student Recognition Ceremony held on June 2nd, 2023 at the College Avenue Rutgers Student Center in New Brunswick, New Jersey. Our seniors have successfully completed a 4-year program in which they have earned college credit from Rutgers University. Congratulations to all of our HSA seniors, and we are very proud of you. Another item on the agenda for your acceptance tonight is the Climate Change Grant. The district will be utilizing this grant to bring the program Our Waterways to Dover students. Our Waterways help children create connections to the natural world around them. Naturalists will guide students through in-classroom lessons on watersheds, benthic macroinvertebrates, and groundwaters. Benthic macroinvertebrates are small aquatic animals and the aquatic larva stages of other water-dwelling insects. I had to look that one up. They include dragonflies, stonefly larvae, snails, worms, and beetles. Benthic macroinvertebrates are commonly used as indicators of a biological condition within our waterways. They are reliable indicators because they spend most of their lives in water, are easy to collect, and differ in their tolerance to pollution. With the Our Waterways program, students will do a full stream exploration. They will take measurements, they will make observations, and best of all, they will search for the benthic macroinvertebrates in the stream. The data that is gathered together gives us a snapshot of the health of that waterway, which will help to foster conversations on what we can do to protect our local ecosystems. This is a wonderful example of experiential learning done outside of the classroom and in a waterway. in our community, which will allow students to see how we all contribute to the health of the nature around us. Lastly, May is Mental Health Awareness Month. To acknowledge this, Dover Public Schools is organizing and participating in mental health awareness events. Here are a few statistics to provide context around the need for mental health awareness for both adults and children. Mental health conditions are the leading cause of disability across the United States. Even though most people can be successfully treated, less than half of the adults in the U.S. who need services and treatment get the actual help that they need. The average delay between the onset of symptoms and true intervention can be as long as 8 to 10 years. Suicide is the second leading cause of death for youth among the ages of 15 to 24, and the 10th leading cause of death for all adult Americans. At our schools, we are acknowledging the importance of mental health awareness in the following ways: student assemblies and presentations, mental health fairs, parent outreach, coping skills and mindfulness for staff, mindfulness practices for students, practicing positive affirmations, and gratitude challenges. Although not an extensive nor an all-inclusive list, Dover Public Schools is committed to continuing our work on student and staff mental health wellness. This past week, we held our first ever staff yoga and meditation event to a strong crowd of 25 yogis. Our next yoga event will be on June 1st at North Dover. All employees and all levels of expertise are welcome. The sign-up form was released today, and that concludes my report.
Thank you, Ms. Cirigliano. Dr. Sainer.
Yeah, Ms. Cirigliano, I wanted to thank you for spearheading the Waterways program. That is a fabulous program and such a real opportunity for our students that they haven't had before. And I also wanted to thank you and whoever organized the yoga program. Thank you for taking such good care of our staff and our students.
Any other comments or questions for Ms. Cirigliano? No? Mr. Miller.
I have a question. It could go here or I guess in another section, but I did submit a question asking if we had any new anti-bullying programs planned for next year, and if so, do we have a way to measure their success going forward?
So ironically, at a 9 o'clock meeting this morning, I was introduced to somebody actually who is local to us here, who has appropriate certifications to partner with the district to develop and implement a program focused on school culture and climate, but inclusive in that is targeting on HIB and behavior that could turn into an HIB incident. So we have a meeting, I believe it's June 2nd, to meet with this individual and to get an idea of their background, their expertise, speak to the district that they're working with currently, and possibly be a partner with them for 23-24 school year.
Okay, great.
Thank you. Are there any other questions or comments?